Hi guys, this is Corey with Sellercore Auction Template Editor. Today I'm going to be talking about the Sellercore HTML template generator and how to change the default layout a little bit. So when you go to the generator, you get a default template that has 3 rows like this. What I want to do is I want to get rid of my title bar, the Sellercore bar, and I want to move these to the left a little bit. So ultimately I end up with a template that looks like this. A little bit different. Of course, from there I could change the colors and anything else I want, but I'm just going to show you how to change the layout a little bit. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Sellercore.com, and I have that here. And from there you want to click on the generator button, which will bring this page up. From here you see 3 main forms. I have my form to change the template, I have my preview form, and I have my generated HTML. So the first thing I'm going to do is I can close that. I'm not using that. I want to get rid of this template title. So I'll just open that and I'll uncheck it. See, it gets rid of it, and I'll delete my text out and it's gone. We can close that. So next thing I'm doing, I'm going to my item description. So what I want to do is basically I want to take this away from being centered, and I want to drop this width down to about 50% so it kind of floats to the left. So I will go into my description header, edit the CSS. First thing I want to do is I want to go to size. I want to change this to 50%. Then I want to go and I want to uncheck centered. You can see it jumps back over to the left by default. And since I don't want it all the way to the left, I'm going to put 30 pixel margin on the left side over here. And since I like that look and I have to do it 2 more times for these other 2, I'm going to go ahead and save it. Just click to save, and there it is. Get out of that. Alright, the next thing I want to do is our content right here. I still want it to look centered, but I want it to be lined up here, so I'm going to make it statically centered. I'm basically going to make it 100%, but put the 30 pixels on each side here so it still looks centered. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the description content, that CSS. I'm going to go into my size. And since by default a div goes 100% of the frame it's in, I'm just going to delete that. You can see that it jumps to 100%. I'm go to my spacing. I'm going to uncheck center. And then we're going to go in and we're going to put that 30 pixels back in. So there's the 30 on the left we just made, but I also want 30 on the right. That gives it a centered look. It's a static centering. And that's it. So since we're going to have to do that once again twice, I'm going to go ahead and save that. And then we can jump out of there. And there it is. You can see it was lined up real nice and pretty over here, but it still looks centered. So all we got to do now is go in, since we already had to save CSS, open the shipping header, go to our saved, click on it. There we go. And go ahead and do that for this one. Our sales header. And now we'll do it for our content. Go to saved, click on our saved CSS, and one more time, go to saved, and click on our saved CSS. And there we go. Of course, down here is our generated HTML. I can copy this and paste it into eBay, or if I wanted to, I could open this template back up into the editor and edit it further. Alright guys, this is Corey with Sellercore.com, the free auction template editor. Please leave any questions or comments below. Thank you.